How'd you find us?
TikTok.
TikTok.
Yeah.
Cool. Awesome. Powerful tool.
Yeah.
It's been awesome for us. I started a website called Curl Maps.
I did scope it out.
Anything interesting?
There are a couple of salons, and I've had a haircut done there. I've watched a little bit of what I see like on TikTok from yours, and they're not.
It's not the same.
It's not the same.
Gotcha. I'm thinking there's going to start to be
I think
a
so.
lot more. So if anybody is in Canada looking, that would be a good place to
For
check.
sure. They are better than your standard hairdressers, but it's still not like,
Here's the question.
yeah.
Are you just kind of like on a trip and I'm a part of it, or did you come down here for me?
I came here for you.
I appreciate the trust.
For sure.
You got to know out the gate, I'm going to give you everything I got.
That's awesome.
You also got to know
Yeah.
your hair looks amazing.
Thanks.
It's beautiful.
It's huge. I'm not used to it like this without product in it, but
Really appreciate you coming in the way that we asked you to come in
Right.
with no product, because it
Yeah.
really lets us and you see where you
sure.
really are
Right.
with no crutches, no
Right.
product, no
Yeah.
nothing. So you said it's bigger than you're used to, but how do you feel about other than the size?
okay, so I don't mind big. I don't like to me it's frizzy.
Okay.
So
You
growing
like
up,
more control.
I do like control, but I'm not opposed to volume.
How you feeling about your length?
That doesn't matter.
That doesn't matter.
It does not matter.
That's a strong, bold statement. I like it. I'm looking at your hair, and as curly as you are,
right.
you don't have what I call anti-gravity root. If the goal is volume and shape, short doesn't equal that.
Okay.
Not on you. On some people, it might.
Okay.
We'll come back to the cut.
Okay.
And I want to get you living wherever it is that you want to be.
Okay.
But I gotta say, you sound like you know your hair. Have you been on the health thing
Yeah,
for like a minute?
so I use like LUS.
Okay.
I was looking to switch to Intersense, but I don't know the first thing of which one to buy for me.
You did the right thing on wait till you kind of came in.
Yeah, so I do like their product. They do have 3 different lines: one for wavy, one for curly, one for like crinky. Really,
That's how
super
they
curly.
pitch it.
Yeah.
I sometimes the wavy one works great on the coiliest girl in the world, and
Sure.
vice versa.
Sure.
Your hair, what I'm feeling is it's as full as you are.
Right.
It fills the room up, which is nice, but it's light.
Yeah.
Sounds like you don't want to be weighed down either.
I
Because if
don't.
you're looking for volume and shape,
Right.
you need it to be
Right.
some control, I suppose, but more about that
Right.
that lightness.
I'm not opposed to trying a different style, like how you would style it out, to see what that would look like.
You've seen my
'Cause I-
stuff,
I have.
and I feel like this is the difference. One of the things that I think I lean into more is it's even styled. It's closer to this. One of the things that I think I lean into more is it's even styled. It's closer to this than it is somebody who's really showcasing these extremely defined curls. I'm more about like setting it up so that I can literally intentionally ruin it by
Okay.
shaking it out and breaking
Okay.
it up. Would you say that you've noticed that about my work?
I
or
have.
Does that make you kind of nervous? Because we
A
don't
little
have to,
bit.
we don't have to go that route.
A little bit. Just because, like, for my whole life growing up, everyone was like, anything that looked like this was ugly. So,
Dang.
yeah.
I'm going to tap on that for just a minute, just because I think that's very important. This is you. You're on top of your health. You know heat. You're not sleeping with it wet. You're not
Right.
pumping any oils into it.
Right.
You're not over shampooing. And I can tell it feels fantastic.
Okay.
You're very aware of your hair's health. You're doing all the right things. This is how your hair grows out of your head. This is your natural color too.
It is. It is.
I mean, everybody's jealous. I am. Your natural hair, no help, no product, no nothing. This color is gorgeous. And I don't know, like you said, where you were growing up and under like
Right.
what views or whatever, but they were fucking wrong.
Sure.
Period. It's
Thank
just
you.
that they didn't understand it.
No.
You got these weird beauty standards. That gets into the minds of people that were older than us, and then you get kind of like picked
Sure.
on or whatever because that's
Yeah.
into their kids and so on or whatever. But that shit's over.
Right.
This is what's up. This is you having done nothing with very enviable hair. Anybody who hates on it is jealous or has awful taste, and their opinion doesn't matter anyway.